The weather turned overnight, which meant a chilly sleep at the foot of the mountain. Between the riders and the next location was a long stretch of rain-drenched roads.
Just rode through a shitload of rain for a long time, and it's cold. It's really cold.
A little frosty. It is pretty cold. It's good though. Everybody's stuck with each other. So I think Max broke down. So what I think Tom stayed with him. Juzzy and I forged ahead. I had no lights, so Justin had lights, so I just trailed behind him. Matty's got no lights, so he stuck with Emma. It's good teamwork.